8983. Repairs of aluminum alloy adjustable pitch propellers are not permitted to be made on which of the following propeller blade areas? A. Shank. B. Face. C. Back. The correct answer is A. Repairs of aluminum alloy adjustable pitch propellers are not permitted to be made on the shank area of the propeller blade. The shank is the portion of the blade between the root and the airfoil section. Repairs should be limited to the face and back of the blade. 8984. Which of the following methods is used to straighten a bent aluminum propeller blade that is within reparable limits? A. Careful heating to accomplish straightening, followed by heat treatment to restore original strength. B. Either hot or cold straightening, depending on the location and severity of damage. C. Cold straightening only. The correct answer is C. The method used to straighten a bent aluminum propeller blade that is within reparable limits is cold straightening only. Careful cold straightening can be done to bring the blade back to its original shape within the allowable limits. Heat treatment is not necessary for this process. 8985. It is that nicks in aluminum alloy propeller blades be repaired as soon as possible in order to A. Maintain aerodynamic characteristics between the blades. B. Eliminate stress concentration points. C. Equalize the centrifugal loads between the blades. The correct answer is B. Nicks in aluminum alloy propeller blades should be repaired as soon as possible in order to eliminate stress concentration points. Nicks can create areas of localized stress concentration, which can lead to further damage or failure of the blade. Repairing the nicks helps maintain the structural integrity of the propeller. 8986. Generally, unless otherwise specified by the manufacturer, repairs of nicks, scratches, gouges, etc. on aluminum propeller blades must be made A. Parallel to the length of the blade. B. Perpendicular to the blade axis. C. So as to return the damaged area to the original dimensions. The correct answer is A. Generally, unless otherwise specified by the manufacturer, repairs of nicks, scratches, gouges, etc. on aluminum propeller blades must be made parallel to the length of the blade. This means that the repair should follow the direction of the blade's longitudinal axis. Following this direction helps maintain the aerodynamic characteristics of the blade. 8987. Minor surface damage located in a reparable area, but not on the leading or trailing edges of aluminum blades, may be repaired by first A. Filing with a riffle file. B. Filing with a half-round or flat file. C. Rough sanding and applying a proper filler. The correct answer is A. Minor surface damage located in a reparable area, but not on the leading or trailing edges of aluminum blades, may be repaired by first filing with a riffle file. A riffle file is a type of file with a curved surface that is suitable for smoothing out minor surface damage on the propeller blade.